Are your Newtonsoft.Json .NET 3.5 build apps crashing due to the Newtonsoft.Json NET 35 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before we begin our Newtonsoft.Json NET 35 walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This is the Newtonsoft.Json NET 35. A specific build of the Newtonsoft library targeting .NET 3.5, required specifically for older industrial or accounting software from the early 2010s. Missing versions result in metadata resolution errors during the initial application logic boot sequence. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Since Newtonsoft.Json NET 35 DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Newtonsoft.Json .NET 3.5 build, toolkit performing a fresh installation of your host application where you received the error is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Newtonsoft.Json NET 35, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like Newtonsoft.Json NET 35 DLL within your System 32 or SysWow 64 folders. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. The link in the description references a professional diagnostic scan resource associated with Newtonsoft.Json NET 35 and PC Health. Thank you for trusting us with Newtonsoft.Json NET 35 repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.